how to translate any app into English. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, move into General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Language and Region. In this page, you have to set the language to English. Once you have it on English language, the next thing you want to do is to enable this option of live text. Once you have enabled, now what you want to do is simply head over to application that you want to translate to English. Take the screenshot of the page which you want to translate it into the English. Once you have taken the screenshot, now head over to your gallery and then move into the picture that you have just taken. In this page, tap and hold the text that you want to translate. Select whichever text that you want to translate and then click on this arrow icon. You can see the option of translate. Click on it and then tap on continue. And there you can see that the page has been converted into English. Likewise, you can translate any of the app or page into English. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.